Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy Ben, and we are back with another episode of Ben's Kitchen. Today, we're going to be cooking up some chocolate peanut butter baked grits. So stay tuned, because it's going to be a banger. Alright, we're just gonna hop right into it. So, we got white corn grits, okay? I don't think it matters if you use the yellow ones, or the white ones, or the red ones, or the black ones. It's grits, alright? They're gonna taste the same, most likely. So, quick grits. Natty peanut butter. I don't know how many times I gotta tell you guys, use the natty peanut butter, or else you're not natty. Isolate protein, okay? This is chocolate flavor. And then we got the peanut butter. So that's why it's chocolate peanut butter baked grits, okay? Then we go in the fridge, alright? We snag an egg. And then we put it over there, alright? You're gonna need 1 egg. Then you're gonna snag 2 sweeteners and some Himalayan pink salt for some extra flavor, alright? Utensils. Big bowl and a food scale. You guys already know. You know the drill. You turn the scale on. First thing, measure out the grits, alright? 1 serving is 46 grams. Then, you take a cup of water. On my package of grits, it says 1 serving of grits calls for 1 1/3 cup of water. So you fill up 1 cup, right? Yup. Pour it in. And you fill it up like 1/3 of the way. Because 1 1/3 cup, correct? That's it. Okay? I don't mix it up ever. Never mix it up. I just take it, throw it in the microwave. We're gonna turn you guys around here so you can see my my beautiful microwave I have here. In there for 4 minutes. That's 4. And it's done. Okay, it's smoking, it's okay. You take it out. You gotta be careful though, because the bowl is hot, okay? So you're gonna grab it by the top, like that, baby. Then we take this over there, so I'll see you over there real quick. Turn the camera. Oh. And we're back like we never left, you know what I'm saying? Food scale on. If you watched the last video, you know we put the peanut butter in first. So we're gonna weigh out 16 grams, okay? That's gonna be exactly 16 grams. No it's not, I lied. So we gotta take some off the little spoon ski. Okay, we need a little bit more, okay? Then we go in, bang, perfecto. We put the peanut butter in first and then mix it because it melts. Now this is a process. This is why I make these videos for you guys. Because if I just write out the step by step, you're not going to understand it, okay? You need to do them separately. You got to do the peanut butter first, right? And then you're going to put the sweeteners in. And then you're going to put your desired amount of salt. And then your protein powder. The salt and the sweetener, you can put as much as you want, or you can put as little as you want. You don't got to put it at all. But I recommend it because it adds flavor. 1 scoop of protein powder for me is 39 grams. So you gotta make sure it's actually 39 grams. See, it's only 33. We're missing out on some protein. So now we gotta add some more until we get to 39. Then we gonna mix all that together, okay? We still got the egg on the side, okay? As you can see, it's pretty similar to the cream of rice recipe, right? But the egg is gonna go a long way. See now, you could just eat it like that, and then it's basically the same as the cream of rice, okay? You could do this with cream of rice as well. And if you're like me, and you like yourself some cake, if you know what I'm saying, this is gonna turn this into a cake, basically. Take your egg, crack, and smack, and then you mix this egg in. The mix is gonna be weird, but eventually, it all comes together nicely. And if you want it super cakey, you can even add another whole egg. But I'm not going to do that because I don't want to have all that fat, you know. I already got enough fat in this meal. Now don't eat it like this because you got raw egg in there, you know what I'm saying? So you have it like that. It kind of looks like the same still, but it's got that egg in there. And that egg, when you microwave it again, is going to turn it into a freaking cake. So now you want to throw it back in the microwave, turning it around again. How my back looking? Feel me? In the microwave. I usually go about a minute, and it's good. You might have to microwave it less, you might have to microwave it more, depends on the microwave, depends on your grits, depends on your protein powder, all of that. So yeah, usually just a minute. And it's done. See, now that's good for me. I don't like it too cooked, as you can see. I don't know if you guys can see it, but around the sides it's very cakey, but in the center it's still gooey. So that right there is what you're shooting for, okay? But honestly, it's still personal preference. So if you like it more cakey, then cook it longer. And if you like it less cakey, you could just eat it straight up or microwave it less, you know? And then I have this powdered almond butter stuff right here. 45 calories for 12 grams of it. I don't really weigh it out because I don't even use close to that. Pour that on there, powdered almond butter. You can put some sugar-free maple syrup, some sugar-free chocolate syrup on there. We get a little taste test. It's gonna be hot. It's gonna be hot as nuts. Yeah, it's good. See? On the outside, it's like a cake, like at the top, but then when you go into it, it's like gooey. It's banging. But I am gonna put some sugar-free syrup on there. We got that Miss Buttersworth, you know. Put some of that on there. Once again, I don't track those calories because, like, what's that, like 2 calories, you know? Shout out my boy Hal. On the last episode of Ben's Kitchen, I said, you guys don't want to watch me eat. And then Hal commented, he's like, yeah, we do want to watch you eat. So, you guys are going to sit here and you're going to watch me eat, alright? This shit is bussin'. Am I the only one that has to be, like, watching something while they eat? You guys probably don't know this, but whenever I, like, say, I'm about to eat this real quick, be right back, or like, oh, I'm about to eat this real quick, see you guys in the next meal, like, I'm always watching YouTube when I eat. Question for you guys is, what do you do when you eat? When you eat, do you just sit there and just, you know, become one with your food or something, or do you, like, watch YouTube as well? Because I can't be the only one that has to be watching something while they eat, you know? So with that being said, we're gonna watch some Will Tennyson while we eat. Alright, that is all done. Very delicious. Everything I make is delicious, guys. Like, I don't think you guys understand. If I have a recipe and you make it, it's gonna be gas. So like when you watch these videos, like make the recipes, you know? Like I'm here to entertain, you know, and give you guys some fire recipes, but you gotta actually like make the recipes. And if you guys do make the recipes and you follow me on Instagram, make them and then tag me on Instagram. Cause that'd be sick. But that's done. Very good. That's gonna do it for the vid. Hope you guys enjoyed me whipping it up in the kitchen. All my links are in the description below. Like if you guys are new, subscribe, you know, support me if you want to support me, all that. And I'll see you guys in the next video.